Preview.
Hello friends, this is Parikshit from Kids Fun Learn Club and he is going to draw something new that we haven't drawn yet in the past. What's that? That's an excavator. What is it used for? You don't know?
It's for building roads.
It's for building roads? It's used for digging the roads. Yes? Come on, let's start drawing. We will need a black sketch pen. We'll be using a Sharpie and some white papers.
You will use a brusho.
Okay, I'll be using a brusho and Parikshit will be using a Sharpie.
Or I'm gonna use a brusho or you are going to.
Okay, let's start. An easy drawing of excavator.
How do I draw?
So, we'll make a square first, okay?
Yes.
A small square, not a very big one.
Very small square.
A small square, then two small lines. And
I'm not gonna draw the lines. We are going to draw this. Yeah? Yeah?
okay.
We are going to draw.
And now we'll make the glass cabin where the operator sits. Who is the operator, beta?
Who drives?
Yeah. And this is the chimney from where the smoke comes out.
Off the road.
Yes. Let's draw the man inside the excavator.
There's going to be a thinny man.
And now the arms of the excavator. How do we do that?
Excavator has no arms.
This is the arm. Okay.
Wait for me.
Okay. This is the road that he is digging from. And I'm done with the drawing of an excavator. Just write an E. Okay, now we'll need. What color do we need? Where is the grey color? I can't find the grey color over here. Okay,
I have the liquor.
I know you have hidden it somewhere.
See?
So we are done with the drawing of excavator. Did you like the drawing? Where
Love
you-
this video. Do like and subscribe on channel to see more of these amazing videos.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.